Hello dear student, today in this video I am going to discuss about the class 9 geography elective subject, the chapter 1 weather and climate, and this one part 6. This topic is types of climates. The impact of the factors of weather and climate discussed above goes on changing in time and over places. Means already we discussed about the factors of the weather and climate, and these factors of weather and climate are changing according to the time and over places. Thus, different types of climates are experienced in different regions of the world. A number of climates are found to occur in places from the equatorial to desert regions. And these different types of climates are equatorial climate, monsoon climate, savanna climate, hot desert climate, temperate desert climate, Mediterranean climate, temperate humid climate, temperate grassland climate, temperate maritime climate, humid east coast climate, subpolar or taiga climate, and tundra climate. Means from equatorial region to the desert regions, there are found different types of climates. Number A, equatorial climate. The equatorial climate is generally of hot and humid type. This climate prevails in the region bounded between the equator and 10° north and south lines of latitudes. In this picture, you can see this 0° is called equator, and from 0° to 10° north and 0° to 10° south, this region is the equatorial region, and in this region the equatorial climate prevails. The sun's rays fall vertically over this region and hence it is hot. Vertically means directly. মানে sun ray directly পৰে কাৰণে এই region বহুত গৰম হয়. Because of solar heating effect, the air of the region becomes light and goes up. And in such a situation, the convection of air takes place and it leads to convectional type of rainfall. মানে solar heating effector বাবে এই regionত air পাতল হয় আৰু ওপৰলৈ উঠি যায়, আৰু এনেকুৱা সিচুৱেশ্যনত কনভেকশ্যন টাইপ এয়াৰ গোট খায় আৰু তাত কনভেকশ্যনেল টাইপ ৰেইনফলৰ সৃষ্টি হয়. Means in the equatorial region, the convectional type of rainfall occurs because of the solar heating effect. On the average, the region receives more than 200 cm of rainfall. This climate has two main characteristics, means features, which are more temperature and more rainfall. মানে ইকুৱেটৰিয়েল ক্লাইমেটৰ দুটা মেইন কেৰেক্টাৰিষ্টিক্স আছে, এটা হৈছে more temperature আৰু আনটো হৈছে more rainfall. So there is actually no change of season in the region. Means because of these two characteristics in the equatorial region, there is no any change of the season. Northern Australia, New Guinea, Indonesia, Malaysia, Congo and Amazon basins come under the influence of this climate. There are dense forests of evergreen trees in the regions of equatorial climate due to high temperature and rainfall throughout the year. Means due to high temperature and high rainfall throughout the year, the equatorial climate regions have the dense forest area which is full of evergreen trees. This climate with high temperature and humid condition is not so suitable for human habitation. মানে ইয়াৰ ক্লাইমেটটো বেছি গৰম আৰু হিউমিড হোৱাৰ বাবে মানুহ থাকিবৰ কাৰণে বেছি সুইটেবল নহয়. Number B, monsoon climate. The monsoon climate prevails mainly on the eastern parts of the countries in the northern hemisphere, lying between 10° north and 40° north lines of latitudes and some regions of the southern hemisphere. In this picture you can see this one northern hemisphere, and between 10° north and 40° north lines of latitudes, this regions is called monsoon climatic regions where monsoon climate prevails. In the northern hemisphere, especially India, Bangladesh, Southeast Asia, southern China, southern Japan, Northeast Africa, Mexico, Florida enjoy this type of climate. The northern parts of Australia and Malagasy of the southern hemisphere also enjoy this climate. High temperature and rainfall during summer and low temperature and rainfall during winter are the characteristics of this climate. মানে monsoon climate main characteristic হৈছে summerত high temperature হয়, high rainfall হয় আৰু winterত low temperature হয় আৰু low rainfall হয়. In summer, temperature generally varies from 27 degrees centigrade to 32 degrees centigrade. The regions of monsoon climate where average annual rainfall is more than 200 cm have evergreen vegetations, and the regions where average annual rainfall is between 100 cm and 200 cm have deciduous types of vegetations. Again, in the regions of little rainfall, only grasses and bushes grow. Means the monsoon climatic regions receive 27 degree to 32 degree centigrade temperature in the summer season. And the regions of monsoon climate, the places which receive more than 200 centimeter rainfall, they have evergreen vegetations. And the places which receive 100 centimeter and 200 centimeter rainfall, they have deciduous types of vegetation. Number C, Savanna climate. Savanna climate is also known as Sudan climate. This climate prevails mainly in Sudan, central India, north central Africa, southern Brazil, Argentina, Venezuela, and certain parts of central Australia. The average summer temperature is 27 degree to 28 degree centigrade, and average winter temperature ranges from 10 degree centigrade to 15 degree centigrade. মানে সাভানা ক্লাইমেটক সুদান ক্লাইমেট বুলি কোৱা হয় আৰু ইয়াত সামাৰত টেম্পাৰেচাৰ বেছি হয় আৰু উইণ্টাৰত টেম্পাৰেচাৰ কম হয়. The regions enjoying savanna climate receive average annual rainfall ranging from 25 cm to 40 cm, mostly occurring during the later part of summer. মানে ইয়াৰ এনুৱেল ৰেইনফল হৈছে 25 চেণ্টিমিটাৰৰ পৰা 40 চেণ্টিমিটাৰ ভিতৰত আৰু বিশেষকৈ বৰষুণ সামাৰৰ শেষলৈ হয়. As rainfall is scanty in the savanna climatic regions, tall grasses and bushes grow here abundantly instead of trees. মানে ইয়াত rainfall কম হোৱাৰ কাৰণে tall grasses আৰু bushes বেছিকৈ grow কৰে treesতকৈ. Such vast grasslands of Africa are known as savanna, and grasslands in Brazil are called campos. মানে সেই একেধৰণৰ গ্ৰাছলেণ্ডকে আফ্ৰিকাক সাভানা বুলি কয় আৰু ব্ৰাজিলত কেম্পছ বুলি কয়. Rearing of cattle is an important occupation in these grasslands. However, the areas where relatively more rainfall is experienced are used for agricultural activities also. Means the main occupational activities in the savanna climatic regions is cattle rearing. But the places which receive relatively more rainfall, the people also do agricultural activities. Next one, hot desert climate. This climate is prevalent in the hot desert regions. In deserts, average annual rainfall is generally less than 10 cm. On the other hand, the desert regions enjoy more than 30 degrees centigrade of summer temperature and about 10 degrees centigrade of winter temperature on the average. Means the hot desert climate is mainly found in the hot desert regions, and in that regions the annual rainfall is less than 10 cm, and in summer the regions they enjoy more than 30 degrees centigrade temperature, and in winter about 10 degrees centigrade of temperature. Hot but dusty wind is the peculiar and common phenomenon of the deserts. This climate is experienced in the deserts of the tropical regions. The major desert regions near the Tropic of Cancer are the Thar Desert, Saudi Arabia, Sahara, southwestern part of the United States, and western part of Mexico, etc. Means the peculiar and the common phenomenon of the desert regions is hot and dusty wind, and this climate is experienced mainly in the tropical regions desert areas. Similarly, the major desert regions near the Tropic of Capricorn are the desert regions of Australia, Kalahari and Atacama deserts. In all these tropical deserts, low pressure develops and flow of hot air with less amount of water vapor takes place from the surroundings, and as a result there occurs little rainfall. In the deserts, vegetations are less due to high temperature and low rainfall. The vegetations include only the bushes and thorny scrub and cactus. Means the hot desert climate is mainly found in some desert regions near the Tropic of Cancer, such as Thar Desert, Saudi Arabia, etc. And similarly, some desert regions near the Tropic of Capricorn, they also experience this type of climate. And in these climatic regions, the vegetations are less due to high temperature and low rainfall. Number 8. Temperate desert climate. The temperate desert climate is found in the central parts of the continents located between 30° and 40° north and south of the equator. In this picture, you can see this one 30° to 40° north latitude and this one 30° to 40° south latitude. And these two regions, they experience the temperate desert climate. In the regions enjoying this climate, annual average rainfall is less than 10 cm and summer average temperature ranges from 30°C to 42°C and winter temperature drops down to 0°C. So snowfall takes place frequently during winter. Mane winter jehetu temperature 0°C tolloi name hebe tat snowfall hoy. The regions where temperate desert climate is experienced include Gobi Desert, Tarim, Turfan, Turkmen and some parts of Iran, Idaho, Utah and Nevada of North America and Patagonia deserts of South America. Next one, Mediterranean climate. Mediterranean climate prevails in the western coastal regions of the continents, lying between 30° and 45° north and south of the equator. In this picture, you can see the western coastal region of the 30° to 45° north and south of the equator. These regions enjoy the Mediterranean type of climate. In the northern hemisphere, this climate is experienced in the regions along the Mediterranean Sea and California of the USA. While in the southern hemisphere, this climate is experienced in the Chilean coast, southern coast of Africa and southwestern coast of Australia. মানে নৰ্দাৰ্ণ হেমিস্ফিয়াৰৰ মেডিটেৰিয়ান চি আৰু কেলিফৰ্নিয়াৰ কাষত থকা ৰিজনসমূহত আৰু সাউদাৰ্ণ হেমিস্ফিয়াৰৰ চিলেন কোষ্ট আৰু আফ্ৰিকাৰ সাউদাৰ্ণ কোষ্টত আৰু অষ্ট্ৰেলিয়াৰ সাউথ ৱেষ্টাৰ্ণ কোষ্টত থকা অঞ্চলসমূহত মেডিটেৰিয়ান ক্লাইমেট পোৱা যায়। Mediterranean climate has relatively low temperature with average summer temperature from 21°C to 27°C and average winter temperature from 10°C to 13°C. This climate is called Mediterranean climate as it is mostly confined to the Mediterranean region. মানে Mediterranean regionত এই ক্লাইমেটটো পোৱা যায় বাবে ইয়াক Mediterranean climate বুলি কোৱা হয়। Vegetations grown under the influence of this climate include the evergreen and deciduous types. As this climate is suitable for horticulture, varieties of fruits are grown in the Mediterranean region. Means the Mediterranean type of climate is suitable for the horticulture. Next one, temperate humid climate. This climate is prevalent on the eastern coastal region of the continents situated between 25° to 40° lines of latitudes. And this climate is also known as Chinese type of climate. This one, temperate humid climate, which is situated between 25° to 40° lines of latitudes. The regions enjoying such climate receive annual average rainfall of 60 to 100 cm. Average summer temperature ranges from 21°C to 27°C and winter temperature ranges from 10°C to 13°C. Snowfall takes place sometimes in winter and rainfall occurs mostly during summer. মানে winterত কেতিয়াবা snowfall হয় আৰু summerত বিশেষকৈ rainfall হয়. The major types of vegetations are the evergreen and deciduous trees. Next one, the temperate grassland climate. The central regions of the continents located between 15° and 40° north and south lines of latitudes from the equator enjoy this climate. These two central regions of the continents between 15 degree to 14 degree north and 15 degree to 14 degree south lines of latitudes, they enjoy the temperate grassland climate. Extensive grassland are found because of very less amount of rainfall and high summer temperature. The famous temperate grasslands of the world that develop under the influence of this climate are the prairies of Canada and USA, the steppes of Russia, the downs of Australia, the veldt of South Africa, and the pampas of Argentina. মানে ৱৰ্ল্ডৰ ফেমাছ টেম্পাৰেট গ্ৰাছলেণ্ড এই ক্লাইমেটৰ বাবে হয় আৰু ইয়াক বিভিন্ন ঠাইত বিভিন্ন নামেৰে জনা যায়। ফৰ এক্সাম্পল কানাডা আৰু ইউ এছত ইয়াক পেৰিছ বুলি কোৱা হয়, ৰাছিয়াত ষ্টেপছ, অষ্ট্ৰেলিয়াত ডাউনছ, চাউথ আফ্ৰিকাত ভেল্ট আৰু আৰ্জেণ্টিনাত পেম্পাছ বুলি কোৱা হয়। The regions enjoying this type of climate experience average summer temperature of 15 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade and winter temperature of less than 0 degrees centigrade. Rainfall usually occurs during summer and average annual rainfall ranges from 25 centimeter to 50 centimeter. As this climate prevails over the vast temperate grasslands, it is known as climate of the temperate grassland. Means this climate is known as temperate grassland because this climate prevails over the vast temperate grasslands. Next one, temperate maritime climate. The western parts of the continents of the world situated between 40 degree north and south and 60 degree north and south lines of latitudes enjoy this type of climate. This one, temperate maritime climate, which is situated between 40 degree to 60 degree north and south lines of latitudes. The average summer temperature of these regions ranges from 15 degrees centigrade to 18 degrees centigrade and winter temperature ranges from 5 degrees centigrade to 10 degrees centigrade. This climate happens to be moderate due to the influence of the oceans. Means due to the influence of the oceans, this climate become moderate. So there is neither severe heat during summer nor severe cold during winter. আৰু সেইবাবে ইয়াত summerত বেছি গৰম নহয় আৰু winterত বেছি ঠাণ্ডা নহয়. Rainfall occurs almost all the year round due to the influence of the westerlies. Some regions also receive rainfall more than 500 centimeter annually on the average. As this climate prevails over the western coastal regions of the continents, this climate is also known as the west coastal climate. Means the temperate maritime climate is also known as the west coastal climate because this climate prevails over the western coastal regions of the continents. Next one, humid east coast climate. The climate is found to prevail on the east coastal regions of the continents between 50 degree and 60 degree north and south lines of latitude. This one, humid east coast climate, which is lying between 50 degree to 60 degree north and south lines of latitudes. These regions experience summer temperature ranging from 15 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade and winter temperature ranging between 6 degrees centigrade and 7 degrees centigrade. Rainfall takes place in order of about 100 cm on the average annually. Some regions enjoying this type of climate receive rainfall all the year round, while some other regions receive only during summer. মানে এই ক্লাইমেট থকা অঞ্চলসমূহৰ কিছুমানত ৰেইনফল গোটেই বছৰ হয় আৰু কিছুমানৰ ৰেইনফল অকল সামাৰতে হয়। The east coast of Canada, Manchuria, Korea, North Japan and the southeastern coast of South America enjoy this type of climate. Next one, subpolar or taiga climate. This type of climate is experienced in the subpolar regions lying between 50 degree and 65 degree north and south lines of latitude. This one, subpolar or taiga climate, which is lying between 50 degree and 65 degree north and south lines of latitude. Their temperature is generally low with a range from 10 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade during summer and less than 2.5 degrees centigrade during winter. Some regions have temperature even lower than 0 degrees centigrade. মানে কিছুমান অঞ্চলত temperature 0 degree centigrade কৈ কম হয়. The coldest place of the world, Varkhoyans, is located in the subpolar climatic region. Some regions, however, receive little rainfall during summer and heavy snowfall takes place in the most parts of the region. মানে সামাৰত কেতিয়াবা অলপ বৰষুণ হয় কিন্তু বেছিভাগ সময় স্নোফল হয়। Average annual rainfall ranges from 25 cm to 30 cm. In this climate, coniferous forests grow extensively. These coniferous forests are known as taiga in Siberia, and so the climate of the subpolar region is also known as taiga type of climate. Means in subpolar climatic regions, the coniferous forests grow extensively, and these forests are known as taiga in Siberia. So the climate of these regions is also known as taiga type of climate. The last one, tundra climate. The regions lying within the Arctic and Antarctic circles enjoy this climate. This type of climate prevails in the northernmost parts of Asia, Canada, and Antarctica. This one, tundra climatic regions, which mainly cover the Arctic and Antarctic circles. The regions under this climate receive sunshine of very low intensity for 6 months, and the remaining 6 months are night. মানে 6 month din hoy, 6 month night hoy. Summer temperature rises only up to 10 degrees centigrade, whereas winter temperature drops down to 0 degrees centigrade. The surface remains covered with ice for 9 months of the year. মানে 9 months ice cover হৈ থাকে, and hence only lichens and mosses grow here and there. Population is significantly sparse. The Eskimos and few other nomadic hunters are found to lead their painful and difficult life. Although the above mentioned 12 types of climate are found to prevail over the globe, there also prevails another type of climate in the higher hills and mountains of the world. Means overall there are 12 types of climates are found over the globe, but some another types of climate also found mainly in the higher hills and mountains of the world, and this type of climate is different from other types and it needs to be discussed, and because it cannot be classified on the basis of the latitude, this type of climate is known as mountain climate. মানে ইয়াক লেটিটিউডৰ সহায়ত বা লেটিটিউডৰ বেচিছ কৰি ইয়াক ক্লাছিফাই কৰিব নোৱাৰি, সেইবাবে ইয়াক মাউণ্টেইন ক্লাইমেট বুলি কোৱা হয়। Mountain climate depends on elevation. Elevation means the height. The climate of the hills and mountains of the world changes due to variation in elevation. Means due to variation in elevation or height, the climate of the hills and mountains also different. For example, the lofty mountains like the Himalayas, Alps, Rockies, Andes, etc. enjoy a peculiar type of climate. Equatorial type of climate is found along the foothills regions, but with the increase of elevation, the climate goes on changing. মানে mountains বা হিলৰ ফুটহিল ৰিজনত ইকুৱেটৰিয়েল টাইপ অফ ক্লাইমেট পোৱা যায়, কিন্তু যিমানে এলিভেশ্যন বাঢ়ি গৈ থাকে সিমানে ক্লাইমেট চেঞ্জ হৈ গৈ থাকে। For example, at an elevation of 5,500 meter or above the snow line, the tundra type of climate prevails. মানে 5,500 meter বা snow lineৰ ওপৰত হ'লে tundra climate পোৱা যায়। Just below the snow line, the alpine type of climate is experienced. Our snow line or তলত হ'লে alpine type of climate পোৱা যায়। In the regions enjoying alpine climate, the air remains cold and moderate rainfall takes place. So the vegetation, especially grasses, shrub and coniferous trees grow rare. The alpine type of climate is thus suitable for sheep and cattle rearing. Means for the sheep and cattle rearing, the alpine type of climate is very suitable. Friends, today in this video we learned about the 12 types of climate which is found over the world. The climates are equatorial climate, monsoon climate, savanna climate, hot desert climate, temperate desert climate, Mediterranean climate, temperate humid climate, temperate grassland climate, temperate maritime climate, humid east coast climate, subpolar or taiga climate, and tundra climate.